Are you tired of painting your fence wall or renovating it after years? Look at how the fence wall is. If you don't want to be facing such problems and challenges after every 4 or 5 years, if you want to put a stop to it, just look for Best Ever Stone Design. Yes, if you've heard of Best Ever Stone Design, then we are your number one last stop. Yeah, there's nowhere to go again. You just have to hold on and watch this video to the end and you understand us. So here our location is Spintex. Yeah, you can see how the building, how the fence wall is soaked with dampness and all the paints are fading out. You can even see the plastering over there. So in this case, we have this Takwa marble stones, we have the Accra stones, we have various type of stones we can use for the fence wall. We supply the stones to your site and we do installation as well. So here, this is our project. We'll be hacking off the painted fence wall. We are going to hack this painted portion for it to look this way, and from there we are going to install the Takwa curtain stones. We'll be doing the installation of the Takwa curtain stones from down to top, including the pillars in between. We started on the Monday. Yeah, we started on the Monday. So I'm taking you guys inside so that you guys will have a look at what we've started. In this our project, we are not only doing the fence wall. We'll be doing the fence wall, including the pillars in it. This project, we are not doing half of the fence wall because the dampness is so serious. Here is not waterlogged area. The ground is very solid, but still it is suffering from this dampness. So I would advise everyone to use the Takwa stones for both your fence wall, for your building. You can use it interior and exterior. So this is our stones. The client will be buying it bit by bit. So we'll be doing both outside the fence wall and inside the fence wall. As for inside the fence wall, we are going to do it half of the fence wall all round. These are the stones. This is the Takwa curtain stone. This is the 3 inches. The 3 inches by 10 inches. So this is how it is, 3 by 10. This is how it is here. Any measurement of your choice, we are going to cut it for you. So back to the building. This is the building. We'll be marking 1.2 square meter all over the building. You can see how the paint is fading off. Yeah, that is very badly. You don't need to waste much money on it. For the short term, you might think you are spending money on a building, but for the long term, these stones doesn't fade, they don't rust, the colors don't change. It is not being affected by anything because it is natural. So we are applying it under the building all round. And don't worry, if your building have been plastered like this, we have machine. Yeah, we have machine to take off the paint before installation. And if the building have been plastered and it is smooth too, we have machine that we are going to use it to hack the building or the wall before doing the installation. We are on the process at the back there. He too is doing the settings for this side. You can see this portion is different from this portion. Because we've hacked this place so that it can bond very well with the wall. So this is where we started in the morning. Yeah, so far so good. We are not yet done yet. We are still on the process. Yeah, we are doing some top cutting on top of it. If he's done, he'll also come here so that we can finish this side too nicely. So this is Best Ever Stone Design. We are located at Temakomti 25. We do delivery nationwide and we do installation to nationwide. So as I was saying, this is it. Yeah. So any level of your building you want us to do the installation, if we come to your site, you show us, we will take our measurement according to the level you want for the building. Yeah, so here we took 1.2, 1.2. From the ground level to the height is 1.2. So this is what we are taking all around. We are taking it all around the building. Okay, I'm sure he'll be ending it very soon. From here to here, you can see we mark it with our line. Yeah, so he's also doing the settings over here. The settings is on the process. So from here, we'll be grinding here with our grinding machine before we start the installation over here too as well. So I'll urge everyone suffering from this dampness, or maybe if your building is in waterlogged area, or even if it's on mountain, you can still do it, because now this dampness is taking all over the nation. It doesn't matter whether your building is on mountain or it's in waterlogged area. So this is our mortar. Yeah, I want to just say something small about our mortar mixing. Normally we use the 42.5R, yeah, whether GASEM or SuperSem or Jata cement, and we have our waterproof chemical too here as well. This is the waterproof chemical. This is the Dr. Fix. Yeah, this is the water fix. You can see waterproof. You can see the written waterproof. This one we have the powdered one and we have the liquid one. Whichever you can afford, whichever one you can afford, you can afford it for us. We are going to use it to mix the cement and sand for the installation. You know, it helps the building, yeah, in terms of the dampness. So this is how we do. This is a short update I'm bringing you guys. I'll give you updates as the work is proceeding. Yeah, stages by stages. So for now, I'll hold on for the meantime. But as the work is proceeding, I'll give you guys updates. You know, we'll be doing all around the building, from this side to the end. Yeah, so we have just started from this side. So kindly give us a call for all your stoneworks.